Asia Geographic Overview. The land where huge populations live has been divided into 7 continents based on the surface area of the Earth: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Among these, land covers about 30% of Earth's surface, while the oceans cover about 70%. Asia is the largest continent of all. Asia, the continent. Asia is a continent that is home to many religions, cultures, and ancient civilizations. Although there are 49 countries in Asia, some countries like Russia and Turkey extend into both Europe and Asia geographically. Asia covers approximately 44.61 million square kilometers of land and has about 60% of the world's population. Where Asia is located, Asia is mainly in the northern hemisphere and spans from about 10 degrees south to 80 degrees north latitude and from 25 degrees east to 170 degrees west longitude. It lies between major oceans: the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Pacific Ocean in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. To the west, it meets Europe, usually marked by physical boundaries such as the Ural Mountains and seas like the Caspian and Black Seas. The Suez Canal connects Asia to Africa, and the Bering Strait separates it from North America. Asia, major geographic features, boundaries and extent. Asia is surrounded by Arctic Ocean to the north, Pacific Ocean to the east, Indian Ocean to the south, Europe to the west, via the Ural Mountains and seas such as the Black and Caspian. Africa, via the Isthmus of Suez, Suez Canal. Physical extremes: highest point on Earth, Mount Everest, 8,848 meters in the Himalayas on the Nepal-China border. Lowest land elevation on Earth, the Dead Sea, about 430 meters below sea level. Longest river in Asia, the Yangtze River, flowing about 6,300 kilometers in China. Largest island water body, the Caspian Sea, also the largest lake on Earth. Population and size. Asia covers about 1/3, approximately 30%, of the world's land area and houses about 60% of the global population. The continent includes some of the world's most populous countries, such as India and China. Regions within Asia. Asia is often subdivided into geographic and cultural regions such as Central Asia, South Asia, Southeast Asia, East Asia, West Asia. These regions are defined based on physical geography, culture, and historical ties. Important geographic facts. Russia is the continent's largest country by area, mostly in Asia. China and India follow as other very large and populous countries. Maldives is among the smallest countries in Asia by land area. Asia includes diverse landscapes, high mountains like the Himalayas, large deserts such as the Gobi, extensive river systems, plateaus, and fertile plains. Summary: Asia is a continent of great geographic diversity and cultural richness. It stretches from the cold Arctic to tropical islands, from the world's highest peaks to its lowest valleys, and contains the largest share of the human population. Its borders meet oceans and other continents, making it a central region in world geography.